In this video, I will show you guys step by step how to make your first $100 with affiliate marketing just by using free traffic without investing any money in paid ads. I made $10,551 in commission just in 16 days with affiliate marketing using free traffic, and they made this commission from the first day of this month, of the month of September, okay, until the day 16. $10,000, $10,551. This is my commissions, this is my clicks, my CTR, and last month I made $17,325 in commission, and it's paid. I already received this money in my PayPal account. This is my invoice, this is the proof. You guys can see this. Anyway, for people who want to start making money with affiliate marketing and you want to earn your first $100 using free traffic, make sure to watch this video until the end. And if you guys skip one step, this business will be really difficult for you and you can't start making commissions like this, because I will share with you my strategies, my methods, my tools that helped me to earn this commission just in 16 days. So for people who are new to my YouTube channel and you want to make money with affiliate marketing, step number one, go to Google and search for this website. Search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up. Go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. It's super easy. All you have to do is you just need to use your email address to sign up, and that's it. So you just need to come to this page and scroll down like this. Keep scrolling down, go to community and click over here on affiliate. Click on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you guys can check this website so you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. They are really paying good commissions, and from my experience, this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever, because it's profitable. It's not like other affiliate marketing businesses that will pay you just few cents. This one is a profitable, okay? Anyway, click on join now and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. All you need to do, you just need to put your first name, last name, email address, username, password, account type, make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? If you guys have a website, you can say yes. If you don't have, say no. Choose your country and choose your language. If you have a Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. The sign up process is super easy and simple. You guys can see it will take just few minutes from your time. And after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So this will be your Fiverr affiliates account dashboard. You should see your commissions here, your clicks, and so on. What you will do next is you need to choose good and profitable services that you will promote using free traffic to earn commission. Step number two, go back to your home page on Fiverr, okay? Like this, go back to this home page on Fiverr, click on the search for this service, search for Pinterest, search for Pinterest ads, okay? This one, search for Pinterest ads, click on Pinterest ads like this. I want you to pay a close attention in this step. Always make sure to choose good sellers. Always choose good sellers. Why? Because if people click on your affiliate link, they will check if those sellers are good sellers or not. They will check the feedback of those sellers. They will check the reviews. So if you choose good sellers, people will trust those sellers and they will buy those services from you and you will earn commission, if that makes sense. So let's choose one of those sellers. We'll show you how you can choose good one, like this one. I will choose this one, guys. This one is level 2 seller. He has a lot of reviews, almost 5-star. I will click on his service like this. Just click on the service that you want to choose and you will be directly in this seller profile page. You guys can see the seller has 3 orders in queue. People are already paying for this service. Which people will buy this service? people who are using Pinterest account. Okay, so what you will do next, you will copy the link of this seller, copy his profile link, and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Click over here. You have your dashboard, you have marketing tools, you have reports. Click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page. Click on deep link, put this seller profile link here, and click on save. And here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. All you have to do now is you need to promote this affiliate link using free traffic. So how we can get free traffic? We will use Pinterest because we are promoting services related to Pinterest. So what we will do next, we will go to Pinterest. So go and open your Pinterest account like this. If you guys don't have Pinterest account, go to Google and search for Pinterest like this. Click on the first link, okay, and sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. All you need to do is you just need to use your email address. They will ask you if you want to open business account or personal account. Choose business account, okay. After you finish, this will be your home page. So just click over here on home feed, click on create pin, and you will be directly in this page like this. Go back to this seller profile page on Fiverr, click on his picture, this picture about Pinterest ads, double click, click on save image, and save this picture to your laptop like this. Go back to your Pinterest account and click over here and upload this picture about Pinterest ads, okay, like this. You need title and you need description. Go back to this seller profile page, copy his title. You are just an affiliate marketer, so you can use his information. That's all fine, no problem with that. Go back to description. You will go back to this seller profile page, scroll down. You should see this about this gig. This is his description. I will copy this part to show you guys how we can do it. So just copy this description, go back to Pinterest, put this description here, scroll down. You need to put your affiliate link here. Let's go back to our Fiverr affiliate account. And for you guys, if you just created a Fiverr affiliate account, you will not see this option. If you have new account, you will not see this option, Fiverr CPA old plan. Because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate accounts. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years now, and I still have this option. For you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. Copy your affiliate link from here, and it's almost the same. Go back to your Pinterest account and put this affiliate link here. Click on choose a board. If you have new account, click on create a board, and you just need to give it a name, and that's it. And you can create a lot. I will choose this one. Scroll down. You need to put here keywords or tags related to this service that you want to promote. So go back to this seller profile page, scroll down, keep scrolling down until you see related tags. Let me show you this one. Until you see this option, related tags, okay. Those are your keywords. Copy those keywords, copy all those keywords, and go back to Pinterest and put those keywords here. After you finish, click on publish, and here you go. You just published your first Fiverr affiliate link on Pinterest. That's how we can promote affiliate links on Pinterest, and that's how you can make your first $100 with affiliate marketing using free traffic. Focus on services related to Pinterest, services that will help people who are using Pinterest to grow their Pinterest account. Maybe to get more sales if they are promoting their products on Pinterest, to get more followers, more views. You can make a lot of money using this method. The business model is clear. I show you guys how you can create your affiliate account, how you can create your affiliate link, how you can use free traffic from Pinterest, and that's it. If you have any question, you can just leave it in the comments. And for people who are asking if I have any affiliate marketing course, yes, I do. If you are interested, you can reach out to me in my email address in my description, and I will get back to you and help you start your affiliate marketing business from scratch, step by step. That's it, and see you in my next videos. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments, okay?